Tiffany's newest watches teaches you how to keep time, whereas Nashik actually teaches you how to spend it.
An enchanting pool villa.
An event, Tiffany. This sumptuous lacquer polished into a flawless glossy finish for this instantly recognizable Tiffany Blue rendered through a three-dimensional sunburst engraving, and multiple layers of this lacquer create this depth and luminosity, each coat requiring so much patience to cure before the next one is applying.
Yes.
This swatch is definitely on my 2026 bucket list.
I should have adjusted my hair.
It's cute.
Never ever before at an event have there been marshmallow. Of Roland speaking for my YouTube. No?
Sorry.
Kuch, this is destined.
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई
Good morning, everyone. We are on a Sunday morning at Solon Holland's Holland House. This is her 1 billion book, and this is a beautiful property based in Nashik. It has 5 rooms.
Mumbai teaches you to live a few seconds ahead of yourself. Always moving, rarely still. It's only when you leave is when you realize how loud life has actually begun. At the Holland House in Nashik, silence arrives gently. Time slows, details return. Nothing insists, everything invites. Set amidst Vineyard trails, this French chateau-style villa is luxury without urgency. Thoughtful, unhurried, close enough to reach, far enough to exhale. The Holland House does.
अच्छा ठीक है चल.
कुछ excitement तो दिखाओ. Advertisements है सारे. No problem. I think without the vibe of the wall.